Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a little white rabbit named Rumi. He loved hopping around meadows and discovering new places. One sunny morning, Rumi heard a soft, sweet voice singing from above. He looked up and saw a tiny yellow bird named Bella. Bella flapped her wings excitedly. "I know a magical garden full of colors and music. But it's hidden." When Rumi opened his eyes, wow! There it was. A hidden garden filled with glowing flowers, butterflies, and dancing trees. From that day on, Rumi and Bella met in their secret garden, playing games and sharing giggles, growing their friendship. Moral of the story: friendship blossoms when shared with kindness and curiosity.